The other thing that we built with GitLite is the ability to work on building functionalities without having to think about merge conflicts too much. So what I mean by that is I'm going to try and create a merge conflict on this branch now. So just bear with me 1 second. I'll try and do a bunch of things that hopefully will create for us a ugly merge conflict. So I'll do this, driver name, details, for example. I'm just changing a bunch of things. Okay, perfect. What I'm doing now is I'm just working on creating a commit here on GitHub. So nothing you're seeing right now, but now I can go ahead and start making additional changes to this file. So let's say I want to rename driver name to driver full name, and then championship position. Maybe I rename this to ranking position king. Okay. And also I rename this one here to position ranking here. So basically I'm making some additional changes. Now let's imagine that in the meantime, somebody else has been either working on the similar branch or merging some code to production. So I'm going to go ahead and create a commit. And what I suspect is that I'm going to click on commit and push. And here is where we are checking and refreshing the state that we have. And you see the first thing it's saying to me is actually, hey, somebody else has made additional changes to this branch. And we're basically guiding the user on making sure that those changes are first pulled in a GitHub. And here is where we have a bunch of merge conflict that we have to solve. And we'll see, this is probably one of the most painful things for working with Git when you come across these things. But in Paradime, what we did is we built this visibility so that you're able to quickly identify what is a merge conflict within one or more file, which files have merge conflict, and how to resolve it. So we always have 2 options, or 3 options, but it's quite rare. And we go for the third one, which is, okay, I want to accept my current changes or somebody else's changes that are coming in. So I can just click on accept current change and I'll resolve the first part. And then I can go ahead and also look at these other merge conflicts. Okay, here I want to keep probably the current change here and also the current change here. Okay. So now then I've resolved my merge conflict. I'm now completing. We can see the red alert is gone. I can click on write commit again to go and generate a resolve commit message, and I can click on commit and resolve here. So we really help teams on working through resolving merge conflicts as easy as possible to the UI without having to get stuck on managing something like this really complex merge conflicts around, particularly when you're working with larger teams. It's very likely that you end up making changes to one file or other file